Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rapid Fills, and I'm doing a trade recap today. Pretty much almost the same concept that I've been addressing in these videos. So today we're gonna be looking at SOPA. I'm 1 day late for this recap, but it is what it is. I think you guys gonna benefit from it anyways. I think this is our daily chart. So with SOPA, again, I don't know what's going on here with this zoom in thing. All right, let's go to the daily. All right, here we go. All right, so SOPA gapped up in the morning, right? I had a gap up. I was watching it. It was on my watch list. If you were in chat, we were talking about it. And I was looking at this level right here, which is the $3 pretty much. It's a 291, but $3 is a round number right next to it. So what I was looking for is essentially a failed follow through. That's all I was looking at. Here you can see we have pre-market sitting right here. So what I actually did, I was shorting here, not trying, but I was actually shorting. Let's go 1 minute. All right. So you can see here, it went up, put a micro shelf. So people started buying here thinking this thing is gonna continue up, and this thing started coming down. As soon as it started coming down, it started shorting, and then if you look closely, we have a support here. So I was shorting here, and then I saw that it's getting bought back up. You see how there is a line here and there is wicks? So somebody's buying here, and then came back down. After this squeeze came back down and held again, I was like, okay, I'm done. This thing wants to bounce. So I got out, and then I saw kind of weak action here. I shorted. I believe I covered as soon as I saw this tail right here, and then when I was done with it, at this point it broke trend, as you can see right here. So now not only I have a bullish chart, a chart did not reach the supply zone, and now I have a chart that's holding a level that everybody's looking at, which is the 250, with multiple tails, higher lows, a wedge break. Everybody's looking at this for a long, and sure enough, this thing squeezes. When it came back down after the squeeze, this is obviously our pre-market high. I was looking at this and I started getting short in here, risking this high right here, which is 280s. And I was short in here, and then it started getting bought back up through the VWAP, and this purple line is my VWAP. So what I did is I lightened up. I just took off 1/3, because I thought maybe what we're gonna get is one more push before we come right back down. And if we're gonna get that push, I'm gonna add into it. That was my thought, but sure enough, this thing just burned people, and then boom, it dumped. When it dumped, I took some profits, and then my target was right here, 220, 218, somewhere there. And then I ended up covering, I think it was around somewhere here in this zone in after hours or whatnot. So pretty much I got pretty nice scalps here. I was able to recognize that this is a high low, it's holding off of a level and a round number, and then it squeezed, and then I got in after everybody got pretty much higher day break into as I mentioned, the supply zone right there. Let me actually share my chart. Okay. Here's that chart. So you can see after it cracked the higher day, started shorting, covered, and then I added, and then took it all out, squeezed, and then I shorted. This is what I covered. I thought we're gonna get one more squeeze. Didn't happen. Took some off, and then after hours I took some off around the 230, 225. So That was the SOPA trade. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And as usual, hit the like button, share, and I'll see you at the next one.